Guys, welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn about how we can use Kaizen or how the Kaizen software is useful to our pre-docking process, or we can say just making those compound ready to be docked. So Kaizen is a software which actually performs the complex tasks or helpful for them who have a large number of compounds or creating a library of compounds for docking. In normal cases, the docking process is so complex for and so much difficult for them who have a large number of compounds. Like we just have to get those properties of ADMET properties and Lipinski properties one by one, then downloading those compound in SDF format, then converting to the docking format, which is a .pdb format, uh, which is actually a time-consuming process. So here we can get rid of this by using the Kaizen software. First, we have the ADMET filter, drug filter actually. Before performing this, let me give you an idea about how the ADMET property works. The ADMET is a property of absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, and toxicity. These are the values of ADMET properties. So here we can see I have added the standard value of Lipinski. So we don't have to change anything. If you want to change, you can also change this by just increasing or decreasing these values. And next we have the ADMET rules here. In this website, I want to add all the possible parameters. I have actually added all the possible parameters of ADMET. So I have added the physicochemical properties, absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, toxicity with the toxicity 21 nuclear receptors or their stress, and the medicinal chemistry and the toxicophore rules also. So we can get the actual refined chemical compounds. So I have already added a list of smiles. We can see here. I already have a demo list here, as you can see. So let's run this format. Okay. So total number of 149 compounds are retained, and 50 of the compounds are eliminated on the basis of these properties. If you want to check those compound which has eliminated on which property, so which parameter actually, so here we can see also this is let's see if we add this toxicity and medicinal chemistry and the toxicophore rules also. Okay, so total number of 146 compounds are retained and 53 compounds are eliminated here on the parameters of this. Not only this, we can also download the retained compound list or eliminated compound list or the total list, or we can also download in JSON format or the Excel format also. Next, the another module is the compound search. It's a simple the searching of compound. If we want to know anything about those compound, if we have anything in my mind, so let's try with water here. So here it is, all the properties and values here. Next, this is a useful module for the conversion tool. In this, we can just add the list of compound. If we have a smiles or compound name or CID, so we can add it here. So let me just get a list here. Okay, suppose we get this much of compound, not taking the whole compounds. Okay, so I have just added the smiles of compound in this, and I want to download it in download the CIDs or any of these properties. So let's begin the conversion process. So this process is actually taking time because it's actually working behind this whole software. So we can get the exact fresh value of using this APIs of PubChem and the Wikipedia. So here we can see we have not found this compound, 7th number, which is not available online. And here is the main catch. We can download it in HDF. All the compounds will download in one click. We can download the text. We can download the CSV. Not only this, we can also download it in PDB format in just one click. So let's see if it's downloading. The PDB format is actually working on a software engine that I have created already, and using that API here for the conversion tool. So it's actually reliable and totally working. So here it's started downloading. Nice. We have a list of compounds. So let's see if those compounds are actually working or not. Let's go. Actually, I for PDB format, I am using this BioVina Discovery Studio. And here we can see this compound is actually ready to be docked. It's a total 3D structure. So let's close it. No. Okay. Next is a molecular interaction. I am working on this. This is actually in a beta phase. Just want to know that interaction. If you want to know the interaction between the protein and the compound, so we can perform it here also. And the next, another important module is the plant database. If you want to know the what type of compound is present in the searched plant, here we can suppose we want to know the compounds found in ashwagandha. So this is totally reliable because it's using the Wikipedia and the PubChem value both here to get the exact and good values. So here we get the ashwagandha. Total number of compounds are 8 listed here. We can also see here the medicinal uses also. And this is the phytochemical compounds. The next module is Chem game. Actually is a simple game. I tried to just pass the time. And also integrated a AI assistant here to know if you want to know about what is ADMET and what is Smiles property, what if you want to know about Discovery Studio or something, you can just search it here or just find it. So thank you so much guys for watching this video till now. And if you have any query, please let me know in comment. And one more thing guys, I am assuming that you know about all the above discussed thing. What is ADMET, what is Discovery Studio, what is docking. This is an advanced video. If you don't know and you want to know how the docking process is done and how we can integrate the docking and Kaizen software both easily, so let me know in comment, and so I can make a next video on this. Thank you so much. Bye.